Capital One Venture Rewards Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it. Most people get this wrong, but not all travel cards are complicated. The Capital One Venture Card is one of the simplest and most powerful travel rewards cards in 2025. You earn miles on every purchase, and those miles can be used to erase travel purchases from your statement. Flights, hotels, rental cars, and more can all be covered. The card offers a large welcome bonus, no foreign transaction fees, and flexible redemption options. The annual fee is reasonable compared to premium travel cards, and the value you get can easily outweigh the cost if you travel even once or twice a year. If you want simple, flexible travel rewards, Venture is absolutely worth it.